Welcome to the inside. One of the things I recommend that you do right up front to easily access the recordings on the website is to save this site to the home screen of your mobile device, like an app. And so how you do that is if you're on an iOS device, press on the box with the arrow pointing up. And then on the second row, just scroll to the right until you see Add to Home Screen, and then just press on that. And up in the top row, you can change the name of it so that you can easily recognize it. The name in there is really long, so I'm just going to abbreviate it to TSR for the seller's resource, or you can type the whole thing out. And then in the top right corner, I'm going to press on the word add. You can see in the box below in gray, it says an icon will be added to your home screen so you can quickly access this website. So go ahead and press on add. And there it is right on your home screen.